Here is questions 1, 2, and 3 for test 3 review. And this is write the ratio as a fraction in lowest terms. So these are basic ratios. They have the same units. So really you're just writing a fraction. And then once you write the fraction, you reduce it. So let's make sure we got all our ducks in line here. So if I were to take 24 and then we have 2, the word 2 then is the fraction line. And we're just simply putting the first number on top and the second number on the bottom to make the fraction. So we have 24 miles over 64 miles. And obviously this can be reduced. Let's try dividing by 8 for both the top and the bottom here, both the numerator and the denominator. Three eighths. 8 times 8 is 64, and 8 times 3 is 24. So that reduces and puts the ratio in lowest terms. So that's the answer for number 1. Number 2, we have 2, so we put the fraction line. And we have 55 over here to the left, 75 to the right. So 55 goes on top. And 75 on the bottom. Okay, so 5 divided by 55 is 11, 5 divided by 75 is 15. So that is reduced, and that's the answer to number 2. And number 3, we have a mixed fraction, but we don't treat it any differently. You're going to take, you still have the 2, that's still your fraction line, so you put 4.5 on top as the numerator. 4 1/4. So that's 1/4 over 6. And that is simply following your fraction rules to reduce that. So we're going to take 4 and 1/4, and that'll be our dividend. And we'll divide that by 6 over 1, which means we're really multiplying. So 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17. So we're going to change that to an improper fraction. This is just following the fraction rules. And we're going to change division to multiplication. And we're going to change this fraction to its reciprocal, so it turns upside down. And then we just multiply. And that will give us 17 24ths, and that cannot be reduced, so that is our final answer for number 3.